So JPEG, Joint Picture Expert Group, MP3 and MP4. These are three common lossy compressions which are part of our day-to-day data handling. जब आप किसी फोन में तस्वीर खींचते हैं तो वो JPEG फॉर्मेट में आती है, आप गाने सुनते हैं इंटरनेट से तो वो MP3 फॉर्मेट में हो सकते हैं, और इसी तरीके से जब आप मूवीज देखते हैं तो वो MP4 फॉर्मेट्स में हो सकती हैं. All three are basically lossy data compressions. JPEG Joint Pictures Expert Group is a file compression format designed to make photo files smaller in size for storage and transmission. It is most popular format on internet and many cell phones and digital cameras. When they take pictures, they take in a raw format and rapidly, without any second thought, right after taking the image, they convert it to JPEG format. So big companies sat down back in 90s and came up with this format so that they could send better images over lower speed internet with lower bandwidth. Later it had become a norm. हर फोन इसको इस्तेमाल करता है. एक बात, दूसरी बात ये कि इसके अंदर डेटा लॉस या कंप्रेशन का जो रेशियो है वो एडजस्टेबल है. आप जितना कंप्रेस करना चाहें ज्यादा और जितना कम आप कर सकते हैं. तो डिपेंड्स कि आप कितनी कंप्रेशन चाहते हैं. अच्छा, देन वी हैव गॉट MP3. MP3 is Moving Pictures Expert Group version 3. Same companies which produce JPEG also produce MP3, but JPEG was for images, MP3 is for sound. So MPEG version 3 or MP3 is the file compression system for music, which does not noticeably affect the quality of the sound. The most important thing to be remembered over here that it can compress, or it does compress, the sound or the music up to 10 times. If the size of the file is 100 MB, after compression it becomes 10 MB file, and yet you can hear it properly. No issues, no any noticeable shortcomings in the sound, no choppy sound, no nothing. This is one of the most adapted, most common and most used formats in the world. Even iTunes Store used to have this MP3. So Apple adapted this MP3 with their own version, but they used it. And when we compress using MP3, there is one thing we call perceptual music shaping. What basically happens in perceptual music shaping, that when there are so many sounds together, so the sound with the higher pitch will be kept, and all those sounds which are not being heard because of that higher pitch sound are removed. And if there are any noticeable gaps between the sound samples, perceptual music shaping actually covers it using its own software. So if there are gaps, they are covered well. And if there are so many different sounds being played together, only the sounds which are having higher pitch are kept. And with few more things, what basically happens that MP3 becomes so much perfect. We will discuss perceptual music shaping when time comes again, but this is it. Perceptual music shaping is basically one of the technique adapted by MP3 to make it more effective even after the loss of 90% of the data, and it works fine. So computer guess that what should be the sound between two samples, and it reproduces that sound so that from one sample to other we don't hear any gap. And if there are several sounds being played, the one with the higher pitch will be kept, और जो पीछे हल्की साउंड है जो नहीं सुनाई दी ज्यादा बड़ी वाली साउंड की वजह से उनको रिमूव कर दिया जाता है. इस तरीके से कुछ टेक्निक्स होती हैं जैसे हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया, उनको अडेप्ट करके MP3 को बेस्ट बना दिया जाता है. लेकिन एक चीज को आप जहन में रखें कि डेटा लॉस है, जो साउंड रिमूव करी वो गायब हो गई, और इसी तरीके से जो गैप्स हैं उनको कंप्यूटर एट द टाइम ऑफ प्लेबैक खुद कवर करता है. MP4 is not for only sound, it is for the movies, the videos. So it covers, it is like an envelope sort of format which has video, sound, text, animations, images all in one, so that you could enjoy a full package of movies. But still, it is a compression, and it is basically used to make files for movies that has video, that has text as in captions, that has images, that has sound, and they all are knitted together. They are interleaved so that when you watch a movie, you don't have any bad experiences. All three, JPEG, MP3, and MP4, are lossy data compressions.